everyone, this is Jo Cashmore of Hooray Hoop. Today we're gonna start on another fun one, which is the spaghetti bolognese girl. So you can see how I do these kind of 3Ds hairs and the spaghetti with the sauce. Yeah, going to be very fun. Let's go and see. Alright, so this is the kit. Let's have a look what's inside. A business card. You can contact me to email, Facebook, or Instagram direct message, or just leave your comment here if you have any questions. And this is the hand draw pattern, and the size of the hoop is 20 centimeters. And the instruction books, so you get everything in there step by step until you finish your work. And in the back, this is where you get all the equipment. So you get all the thread, the peg. I'll show you later what to do with this peg, and 2 sides of needle. With the hair colors, you usually get the choice, either brown, blonde, or black hair, but today we're gonna work on the black one here. Okay, so we start with stretch the calico on the hoop. So just adjust the screw on the top, and you can pull on the side. Just make it nice and tight. It's pretty good. Okay, we will start with the single thread inside here and double thread around the cloth there. So when I say single thread, the cotton has got 6 strands in there, and we just pull one out like that. And we just thread it through to the small needle, which I would use this helper, which is called threader. Just thread it through there, and it'll make the thread through the small needle easier, just like that. And just knot at one end here. Right, we will start here in the corner. Okay, now all the single threads are done. We're gonna do the double, which is basically just knot together at the end like that. And now you can start anywhere. Now I will just start on the plate here. Okay, so now we finish all the outline. Next we're gonna work on the fun noodles or spaghetti here. So what you need to do is just get this kind of golden thread and you pull it out one by one. And then with your peg, what you need to do is wrap the thread around the peg one at a time like that. So we need 4 of them in this one. Okay, once you're done, you just leave it there for now. And you still got 2 left in this one. You pull one out and thread that through to your small needle. Okay, and then you thread it through here. this from the pack. So you get this kind of messy thread and place it on there. Now what we're gonna do is just stitch it secure on the plate. Just randomly stitch here and there. Okay, there you go, you're done. Alright, to make it look like a spaghetti, we will need some tomato and basil, which these yarns that you got here. With your big needle, so we will start with tomatoes. Just thread it through. Not there, and then just pop it like a dot. About 4 or 5 dots on the plate. Right, now we're going to work on the hair. So with your thread, cut it about 1 meter long. Just make it easy and quick so you don't have to cut every time. Just use your big needle, knot that at the end there. I will start on this side first. So just start there. Going up. Okay. This is kind of thick enough for me, so we come to about here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we'll cut at the end. Spread them up. And then separate it into 3 parts like that. Okay, make a okay, so we got a bead. Okay, finish up. See, this here is wobbly. We're gonna stitch it up there so it's secure and tidy. So we're gonna do double thread here. Start with this side. You can see my pencil line there. You just basically stitch the top bit to the top there. Right, so that is done.